everybody, it's me, Dakota, Tammy's son. Sorry, I've been slacking a little bit. I forgot to make a video yesterday, and I think like last Saturday I forgot to make a video. I'm pretty sure. But I'm making one right now. I'm following my cats. They obviously want me somewhere. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. Maybe just show you my cats and I don't know. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Papa. Yeah. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Yes, you are. They're adorable little things. Yeah. Hi here. You silly cat, you. Oh, you're so silly. Hey, it's Notch. I guess he's got a little something on his front of his head. I'm not sure what. He's our male goat. He's a good boy. And he loves new friends and new things. He's such a good boy. Yes, you are. Not so close, silly boy. Good old Ruby. She's such a good girl. Ah, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, thank you. And here's Queen Bee. My little princess. Pixie. She's so adorable. She's such a good girl. Oh, and she's playful too. She's got her little stance going on right now, like she's investigating something. Uh-oh, traffic jam. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not nice. Poor boy. Poor boy. See you too. You sillies. Yeah, you sillies. Yeah. This is Tiny. She's such a good girl too. All my cats are good cats. I make sure of that. Yeah. They love me so much. Yeah, I know. Hi, Ruby. Hi, yeah. Hi. They love to play outside. Just love to. Oh, and my Pixie. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Such a good girl. Oh, God bless you. Curious little things they are. They're still, they're not really kittens anymore. They're more, but they're not adults, They're more like in a kid's stage or something like that. I'm not sure what you call a cat that's in that kind of. A kitty. There we go. Hi, Tiger. You checking the camera out? Yes. You're such a curious little cat. Or kitten. I don't know what you want to call him. Oh, easy. Hi. Easy, buddy. He's a little unsure of the camera. that Fancy? This is Fancy, our horse, one of our miniature horses. She's a female, in case you hadn't noticed. Yeah, she's so fancy. That's why we call her Fancy. Fancy schmancy, yeah. Sorry for the blurry reception. There, that's better. I think cats are very social. That's just what I think. They socialize a lot. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like or a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And hit that bell for further notifications whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!